Hello everyone, welcome back. Just now I talked with a software engineer from MakeMyTrip. He was Kaushik Borah. He is currently a software engineer at MakeMyTrip. He explained a lot of things. He told about his interview process, how he was interviewed by the company. He told about how to get into big tech companies. Also, he gave a roadmap on how to become a software engineer. I hope you guys will like this video. But one thing, as he was traveling, he couldn't turn on his video, but the way he explained the things is really awesome. I hope you guys will like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and here is the video.
Hello Kaushik sir, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. So are you working from home or directly from office?
Currently, I'm doing my work from home.
Yeah. So my first question is, how does it feel like to be a software engineer in such a big company like MakeMyTrip?
The first thing is that you have to work very hard. It's my prestigious honor that I am working in such a big company.
Yeah.
That I never imagined that I will be able to go to in such a big companies.
Yeah.
But somehow I cleared.
Yeah. So
I never, seriously speaking, I never imagined that I was able to go there.
yeah, so luck was there with you and you tried hard, that's the reason you got there. So it was on-campus placement or off-campus?
Yeah, it was an on-campus placement.
Yeah. So when did you join as a software engineer in MakeMyTrip?
I joined in 6th of July in 2020.
6th of July, okay. It's almost a year. We have passed a year, right?
Yeah, it's almost a year.
Okay. So how was your interview experience? Like what type of questions were asked in the interview? Like what sort of questions? Definitely you can't reveal the exact questions, but
actually what I can say is that questions are not specific. Coding questions are not specific.
yeah.
We are around 15 to 16 guys.
Yeah.
So they were asking question based on our CV. Like there is no specific stream that they will ask from DBMS or DS or any algorithm. So most of the questions are related to our CV only. So they were focusing mainly on our CV.
Okay. So
If someone is presenting his CV as a software developer, they are asking that. If someone is like backend developer, they are asking question based on backend developer.
So
my CV was more towards game development.
yes.
So they asked me to games like Sudoku, to solve the Sudoku Minecraft game and to solve the Minecraft game in my first interview. Since my second interview, my first interview was around 2 to 3 hours. The interviewer asked me to write the whole code, Sudoku solving, and second that Minesweeper game. You might have played Minesweeper game in Windows. They have asked me to create that and solve that. So for that they gave me around 2 to 3 hours to write the whole code.
Amazing.
And then my second round was like rapid fire round. They were asking question related to my CV, like any questions like related to DBMS, OS, system programming. They're asking me anything, literally anything. Some of the topics I don't even know. I didn't even heard about some of the topics. They just asked anything, rapid fire type. They're just asking question. If I know, I'm answering. If I don't know, I just simply say I don't have any idea of this.
Yeah, so it was like a formal conversation amongst them.
Yeah, and like in my CV, as I have put one point that we worked in a startup. So they were asking what was the startup and what was the startup about, how it is functioning, everything. And second thing, in my CV, I have one research paper that was published in Springer. So they asked me completely about that paper, how we did it, what we did, what is our input in that paper, everything he asked. And in the third round was very short. It was like around just 10 minutes. I just go to him. He just simply asked me to solve that game, a TikTok game. Tic-tac-toe game. Sorry, it's tic-tac-toe game. He just asked me to just give a brief idea how to solve tic-tac-toe game, and he just said it's okay, fine. I was just surprised.
Okay.
That person was asking questions for half an hour to each and every student, and for me he just finished in 5 minutes. I was just, why? I was confused. Why?
Yeah.
thinking that I might be like he's not happy with me, so he might be just doing his formality of taking my interview.
But later on, it turned out to be magic. You got selected.
Yeah.
Okay, you worked at a startup before joining MakeMyTrip, right?
Yeah, it was like our college startup only.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't in that startup. I wasn't working as a tech developer or something. I was working as a designer, more of a designer.
Okay, what about the CGPA and the communication skills? Does it matter in that interview?
Like CGPA in our college, we have some CGPA criteria. Like company gave us some CGPA criteria. It based on the company only. Like some company don't give us any criteria. So it is mainly based on the companies.
Yeah, amazing. So
CGPA actually college never decide the CGPA. The CGPA is decided by the companies only.
Yeah. So what does your day in a life look like? Yeah. Yes.
You just have to be that much confident that whatever you are writing, you have to explain them.
Yes.
You have to make them understand. Just that's all. You don't need to be completely fluent in English. I gave some interview in Hindi.
Yeah. So
I explained some topics in Hindi.
Okay, that doesn't matter actually, right?
And interviewer asking me, तुमने कैसे किया इसको? Explain करो. Just simply he asked me.
Okay.
So I just simply answered him in Hindi only.
Okay, it's not that strict, I guess.
Yeah, communication. They don't look for your communication more. Look for your more of coding skills and problem solving skills.
Okay, so what does your day in a life look like? Like day in a life of a software engineer, how does it look like?
It's depend from company to company.
Yes.
Sometimes it's hectic and sometimes like chilled life. It depends on what work you get. Sometimes you can get bugs like even at that. Sometimes it's like chilled life, normal 9 to 6 job, like simply.
Yeah.
And sometimes there is some tasks that you have to do it by the end of the day. To on those days we have to like do work till 10 or 11. So it depends on the work tasks that we get.
Yeah, it depends, right? Okay, so how to become a software engineer? Like what will be a roadmap? Like anyone who wants to know how to become a software engineer, how to become?
The basic thing for a software engineering is that problem solving skills. Basic thing you need to become a software engineer is to just develop problem solving skills.
Yes.
So optimizing things. Many people can solve a problem, but you have to find an optimized way. Irrespective of any company you go into, the main thing they check is that how you are solving the question and how much optimized is your solution.
Yes, a company needs that only, like the problem solver one, like who can solve their problem actually.
Yeah, they want some people who can solve their problems.
Yeah. Okay. So
the product will give you a task that I want this to happen. And the whole thing is based upon how you do it.
Yeah.
So the product team and the higher management don't know how it is working. They just want that this product, I want this product, just that product.
Yeah.
They want the product to have minimum cost. Minimum resources, minimum cost.
So they just want us to work for them, like you solve our problem and we'll give everything you want.
Yeah, that's what software development is.
Yeah. So lastly, what will be your message to the college students who are trying to get placements in big tech companies?
Big tech companies, first simply solve as much questions as you want. Basically based on like DS, data structure algorithms. These are the main part. And also software engineering, OOP concepts. Best websites for them are Geeks for Geeks, Code, Hacker, Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank.
Yes.
you have to choose some specific companies. Like एक बोलते हैं ना, हवा में तीर नहीं मारना चाहिए.
हाँ हाँ, तब चूज करके मारना चाहिए.
First you have to decide your aim. Like you cannot go for a single company, but you have to go for some set of similar companies.
Yes.
Choose them and prepare for them.
Yeah.
Some preparation is a general preparation, like data structure, algorithms. These are basic development. After that, you have to choose some specific field. Like I have to go for these tech companies which need optimization. Some companies need operating system. So that's how you have to, after that basic training, you have to go for those.
Yeah. Are you hearing?
Yeah, I'm hearing.
Okay. Yeah, so it's all about solving the problems and cracking their interview, and that's all, right?
It's more about solving the problem, and the way you solve that's matter.
Yeah. Okay.
Many people can solve a problem, but how you solve a problem, that map is important.
Yes. Right. Okay, it was amazing talking to you. I wish you good luck for the work that you are doing at MakeMyTrip. Thanks for joining today.
Thank you.
Thank you.